Hello friends, welcome to MINGDA. Today I want to introduce our largest 3D printer to you. The MD-666. Its build size is 600 by 600 by 600 millimeter. There is an open door on the front of MD-666. It's very convenient to check the printing status anytime you like. At the top of MD-666, there are a 5-inch colorful LCD screen. It's very friendly interface, easier to understand and operate. We adopt 0.4 millimeter nozzle, further ensure printing more precision, no blocking and no jarring during the printing. The detachable tank chain protects machine well. It's very convenient to replace parts. We adopt the 10 millimeter aluminum hot bed. Support the MD-666 printing, more stability and high precision. MD-666 X, Y, and Z angles adopt full linear guide rails structure, ensure the hotbed moving stability.